Python devs, beware. Your next job offer might be a trap. Recently, the notorious Lazarus Group, known for their cyber exploits, has set their sights on you. They're baiting developers with fake coding tests disguised as job offers from big-name companies like Capital One. Sounds tempting, right? But here's the catch. These tests contain hidden malware. You'll be asked to find and fix bugs in what seems like ordinary code. But under tight deadlines, the pressure is on. And that's when mistakes happen. Developers, in their rush, might run this malicious code without a second thought. Reversing Labs, a cybersecurity firm, has been tracking this campaign and confirms it's still active. Their advice? Be skeptical of unsolicited job offers, scrutinize any code you receive, and always verify the source. Use secure environments like virtual machines for an added layer of protection. Stay vigilant, developers. Your next line of code could be the difference between safe coding and a costly breach. Spread the word and stay safe out there.